What's up, everybody? Gonna do some soundproofing in the old van ski today. As you can see, it's got some road noise issues. It's kind of the first thing you really want to do, I think, if you're doing a van build out. Now, in this particular van, I'm still considering a window here, so I'm not going to do that panel yet. This will be flare space, and this will be flare space. So upper all the way is going to get it, ceiling is going to get it, and the entire lower will get it right now. And by I mean Tony's helping, I'm going to use Kill Mat. You can use Dynamat, Sill Mat, all the different variants of mat. I'm going to link them all below. You can decide what you want to use. Let's get after it. What we have noticed already, though, and we're not done, is the sound in here is absolute. Hey, you gonna push these in? Look at that shit. Look at this. What is that? How's that supposed to sound?
I didn't think about it.
Would you get your shit together? Oh yeah. Come on up, Tony. As you can see, we did a pretty awesome job. It's all nicely pressed in, except for that spot. That was Tony did that. But man, the sound is, would you say? Would you say it's better?
Oh, it's night and day.
Night and day. So there it is. First install. What was that?
My phone.
First install of the adventure van build is complete. There you guys go. I highly recommend sound deadening your van if you're gonna build it out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, you got it here. Oh, you f***ed that whole row up. Unbelievable.